Namaste Gurukulians. How are you, dear students? Hope you will be fit and fine. I am Subhas. Today we will study class 12 accountancy and the chapter 3rd admission of a partner is going on. Today we will do part 10 of this chapter. We will discuss next topic. Next topic is the capital of old partners are adjusted on the basis of new partners' capital. So in such a case, when adjustment is made, the capital of old partners may be less or more. If there is deficit, अगर किसी partner की capital कम है, he will bring more capital, and if there is excess capital, so he will withdraw that capital. For example, after closing the capital accounts, the balance for there are three partners. A, B, C. In the same way, debit side, A, B, C. First, prepare capital accounts, balance the capitals, and brought forward the balances to the credit side by balance BD. If these balances are 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000 after all adjustments, C partner is admitted for 1/6 share. So first of all, you will calculate the total capital of the firm on the basis of C's share. अब C's share is 1/5. Then total capital on the basis of C's share will be 10,000 into 5/1, that is 50,000. अब जो नई फर्म की कैपिटल है वो 50,000 होगी, तो you will distribute this 50,000 in new profit sharing ratio. It will be given in the question. If the new profit sharing ratio is 2:1, 2:1 you can say, because C share is 1/5. If new profit sharing ratio is 2:1, then you will divide this total capital into 2:1. So their balance will be right here, to balance CD 20,000, 20,000, 10,000. Okay. So in this way, C, compare the balance of A. Here it is 30,000, here 20. It means he is having 10,000 excess, so he will withdraw. You will write to the debit to bank. B's capital is same, C's is also same. In this way, after adjustment, if capital of a partner is in excess like A, 10,000 in excess, because the capital of A should be rupees 20,000. It is here 30,000, so he will withdraw. If there is any shortfall, अगर किसी की कैपिटल कम रह जाती है, मान लीजिए यहाँ 20 होनी चाहिए, उसकी 15 है, तो he will bring 5,000 more by bank. तो in this way, we will adjust the capital of old partners on the basis of new partners' capital. And if there is any shortfall or excess, that will be adjusted through cash. Okay, so we will solve question. Open your book. See, this is D.K. Goyal book, and we will do illustration number 86. Open the book and illustration 86. So there are two partners, Ishu and Vishu, who are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. This is the profit sharing ratio. Their balance sheet is given: creditors, general reserve, investment fluctuation fund, capitals of Ishu and Vishu. Here, cash at bank, debtors less provision. Investments, book value is 21,000, market value is 19,000. So there is a decrease in market value, rupees 2,000. So this 2,000 loss will be adjusted from this investment fluctuation fund. 5,000 है, 2000 लॉस एडजस्ट करेंगे इससे, रिमेनिंग 3000 यू विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग द पार्टनर्स बिटवीन इशू एंड विशू इन 3-2. ओके, एंट्री फॉर दिस विल बी इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड डेबिट 5000 टू इन्वेस्टमेंट्स 2000 जो वैल्यू कम हुई है, एंड रिमेनिंग 3000 टू इश्यूज कैपिटल टू विश्यूज कैपिटल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन 3-2. ओके, बिल्डिंग प्लांट एंड मशीनरी इज गिवन. तो ऑन दैट डेट a new partner Nishu is admitted for 1/6 share. He will get 1/6 share. So you are required to pass journal entries, prepare revaluation account, partners capital accounts and balance sheet. So read the adjustment. It is page number 4.114, illustration 86. So Nishu was admitted on 1st April 18 for 1/6 share on the following terms. Number 1, Nishu will bring 56,000 as his capital. Entry will be bank account debit to Nishu's capital 56,000. Second, goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 84,000. Nishu will bring his share of goodwill in cash. So there will be two entries. Bank account debit to premium for goodwill debit to old partners, issue and Vishu in sacrificing ratio. Plant and machinery be appreciated by 20%. So for this prepare revaluation account. Plant and machinery is to be appreciated by 20%. Plant and machinery is 70,000. So 20% of 70,000 is 14,000. Asset is increased. So you will record to the credit by plant and machinery 14,000. Next adjustment. All debtors are good. It means there is no need of provision. अब इसमें provision है 7,000. तो रिटर्न इट, आप इसको विड्रा कर लीजिए 7000. जब भी एक्सेस प्रोविजन हम विड्रा करते हैं तो यू विल रिकॉर्ड टू द क्रेडिट बाय प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स 7000. नेक्स्ट, देयर इज ए लायबिलिटी ऑफ 9800 इंक्लूडेड इन क्रेडिटर्स दैट इज नॉट लाइकली टू राइज. क्रेडिटर्स में एक लायबिलिटी है 9800 की, वो अराइज नहीं होगी, मतलब पे नहीं करनी है. तो लायबिलिटी इज डिक्रीज्ड, तो इट इज इनकम, यू विल रिकॉर्ड क्रेडिट बाय क्रेडिटर्स 9800. Then sixth adjustment is relating to capital adjustment. First, balance this revaluation account. Total of credit side is 30,800. So this is the profit 30,800. To profit transfer to old partners, transfer to issue and Vishu. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2, old ratio. So it will be 18,480 and 12,320. So this profit is distributed in the ratio of 3:2. Now prepare capital accounts of partners. Prepare here, you can prepare capital accounts. There are three partners. Old are Issue, Vishu, and third partner is Nishu. Issue, Vishu, Nishu. Particulars. First of all, show opening capitals. These are the balances. By balance BD, opening balance is 119, 112. In liability side, general reserve is given 9,000. It is undistributed profit, distribute in old ratio. Entry for this will be general reserve debit 9,000 to issues capital to issues capital in 3-2. So partners capital count as credit, record to the credit by जनरल रिजर्व. तो 9,000 को आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो 3-2 में, तो इट विल बी 5,400 and 3,600. 5,400, 3,600. Next is investment fluctuation fund 5,000. Out of this amount 2,000 loss will be adjusted. देखो इन्वेस्टमेंट बुक वैल्यू 21,000 है, मार्केट वैल्यू 19,000 है, 2,000 कम हुई, तो वो 2,000 लॉस कंपनसेट करके बाकी जो 3,000 है यू विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट टू द कैपिटल अकाउंट्स. तो बाई इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड 3,000 in 3-2, that is 1,800, 1,200. Entry for this is investment fluctuation fund debit 5,000, two investments 2,000, two issues capital 1,800, two issues capital 1,200. Okay. In asset side there is no goodwill or undistributed loss. See first adjustment. Nishu will bring 56,000 as his capital. So for this entry is bank account debit to Nishu's capital. So you will credit to the Nishu by bank. Amount is 56,000. Second adjustment. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 84,000. This is the total goodwill of the firm, and Nishu will bring his share of goodwill in cash. So Nishu's share is 84,000 into 1/6, so 14,000. So Nishu will bring this share 14,000 in cash. So there will be two entries for it. First, bank account debit to premium for goodwill 14,000. Second entry, premium for goodwill debit 14,000 to old partners, issue and Vishu, to issues capital account to Vishu's capital account. So distribute in sacrificing ratio. Here old ratio is 3-2. New partner Nishu is admitted for 1/6 share. No other information is given. So for the sacrificing ratio will be same as old ratio. If you want to calculate, you can do. Let total profit is 1, Nishu share 1/6, balance 1 minus 1/6. तो जो रिमेनिंग 5/6 बचा है उसको आप 3-2 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो. तो उस केस में जो गेनिंग रेशियो आएगी वो दैट विल बी 3-2. एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट न्यू रेशियो ऑल्सो. तो फर्स्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट गुडविल 14,000 in 3-2 which is gaining ratio. तो that will be 8,400, 5,600. 8,400 and 5,600. This is the 14,000 amount. 8,400, 5,600. Right here by premium for goodwill. Okay, now balance the capital accounts of all the three partners. Total issues total is 153,080. 153,080. One thing is left, revaluation profit. We have not shown this amount. Also show it. When profit is distributed, entry for this is revaluation account debit to issues capital to issues capital. So partners capital are credit, record to the credit by revaluation account. 18,480 and 12,320. It is 5,600. Okay, now total. So total of issue 153,080. Total of issue is 134,720. And it is 56,000. So this is write the same total here, 153,080 to balance CD. Issues total is 134,720. And 56,000. Okay, because capitals of issue and issue are to be adjusted on the basis of issues capital. It is, read the adjustment number 6. Capital of issue and issue will be adjusted on the basis of issues capital, and any excess or deficiency will be made by withdrawing or bringing in cash by the concerned partner. So for adjustment, carry forward these balances to the credit by balance BD. 153,080, 134,720 and 56,000. Okay. Now the capitals of issue and issue will be adjusted on the capital of issue, and you will distribute in new ratio. So first of all, you will calculate new ratio. Partner are issue, 3:2 ratio. New partner issue is admitted for 1/6 share. To calculate new ratio, see, first of all, assume that total share is 1. Let total profit issue share 1/6 balance 1 minus 1/6, that is 5/6. So this 5/6 remaining part will be distributed between issue and issue in 3:2. That is their original ratio. So issue's new share will be 5/6 into 3/5, and issue's share is 5/6 remaining share into 2/5. 3/6, 2/6, and issue share is 1/6. So new ratio is 3:1. Okay. So capital of issue and issue will be adjusted on the basis of issue's capital. So first of all, calculate total capital of the firm on the basis of issue's capital. देखो issue's capital is given 56,000. तो 56,000 is the capital for 1/6 share. issue का share 1/6 है. तो इस 1/6 के बेसिस पे टोटल कैपिटल कितनी होगी? इंटू 6/1. 6/1, that will be 0.36, 3,36,000. This is the total capital. and distribute this total capital in new ratio which is 3:1. 3:1 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो अभी. अब इसमें इशू का शेयर होगा 336 इंटू 3/6. विशु का शेयर होगा 336 इंटू 2/6 एंड निशु का शेयर होगा 336 इंटू 1/6. तो 6 से डिवाइड कर दें. 56,000 इसका डबल हो जाएगा 1,12,000 एंड इसका ट्रिपल हो जाएगा, या दोनों ऐड कर दें 8 और 11 5 16 168. तो दीज आर द क्लोजिंग बैलेंसेस. तो यू विल रिकॉर्ड 2 बैलेंस CD हियर. 2 बैलेंस CD. Issue first partner 168, second partner Vishu that is 1,12,000 and Nishu is 56,000. Now compare these closing balances with this balance. अब किसी पार्टनर की कैपिटल कम है तो ही विल ब्रिंग मोर कैश. जैसे फर्स्ट पार्टनर है इशू, इसकी कैपिटल होनी चाहिए 1,68,000 जबकि है वो 153,080, तो कम है तो ही विल ब्रिंग मोर कैश. तो राइट हियर बाय बैंक. बाय बैंक. अब जिस साइड का टोटल है ज़्यादा आप वही टोटल लिखेंगे. इट इज़ 168. राइट हियर 168. तो ये लेस कर दो, रिमेनिंग अमाउंट ही विल ब्रिंग. तो इट इज 14,920. 14,920 he will bring. Entry for this will be bank account debit to issues capital 14,920. Now see विशुज शेयर होना चाहिए 1,12,000, रियल में है 134,720, ज़्यादा है तो ही विल विड्रू. दिस टोटल इज मोर. वन 1,12,000 लेस कर दो तो इट विल बी 22,720. 22,720. राइट हियर टू बैंक. तो ही विल विड्रू कैश. एंट्री फॉर दिस विल बी विशुज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. बाकी जो निशूज कैपिटल वो सेम ही रहेगा क्योंकि इसके बेस पे बाकी की एडजस्ट की 56,000. ओके, तो यू विल डू लाइक दिस. नाउ एट लास्ट प्रिपेयर क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट. Closing balance sheet. First of all, take liability side. See from this balance sheet, creditors 66,000 जबकि creditors कम हुए थे 9,800, तो इसमें से लेस कर दो creditors. तो इसमें से 9,800 लेस करो, दैट विल बी 56,200. 56,200. नेक्स्ट, जनरल रिजर्व डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड इज आल्सो यूज्ड. देन कैपिटल्स. यू विल शो दीज बैलेंसेस, क्लोजिंग बैलेंसेस. इशू, विशु, निशु. These are 1,68,000, then 1,12,000, and third is 56,000. Asset side, first of all, Cassette Bank, 87,000. We have 87,000 Cassette Bank, but amount brought in by new partner Nishu 56,000 for his capital. इसमें ऐड करो 56,000. एंड 14,000 फॉर गुडविल जो हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था, ये 8400 और 5600, दैट इज 14,000. तो ऐड प्लस अमाउंट ब्रोट इन बाय इश्यू हियर. जब कैपिटल एडजस्टमेंट हुई थी तो वो एक्सेस अमाउंट लेके आया था 14,920, 14,920. आप ये भी ऐड कर दो, दैट इज 920, 10, 14 और 7, 21, 2, 10 एंड 7, 17. एक पार्टनर ने विड्रॉ किया है कैश, ये देखो, ये लेस कर दो, 22, 720, 22, 720, डिडक्ट 0, 2, 9, 4, 10. It is 149, 200. Okay, तो राइट हियर 149, 200. नाउ नेक्स्ट डेटर्स. तो प्रोविजन हमने भी ड्रा कर लिया, तो यू विल शो द फुल अमाउंट 42,000. नेक्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, यू विल शो मार्केट वैल्यू 19,000. Then building, तो building no change, record the same value 98,000. And plant and machinery, plant and machinery is increased by 14,000, तो add 14, 70 plus 14, 84,000. So total both the sides, तो बैलेंस शीट टोटल विल बी 3,92,200. 3,92,200. तो इन दिस वे you will adjust the capital on the basis of new partners capital by bringing in if there is shortfall or withdrawing if there is excess cash. In this chapter, one last topic is left. Topic is mostly similar to this, but here adjustment in case of excess or shortfall will be adjusted through current accounts. अब किसी पार्टनर की कैपिटल कम रहेगी, अब यहाँ तो वो लेके आया था बाई बैंक, तो हम यहाँ बैंक में एडजस्ट ना करके वो करंट अकाउंट से एडजस्ट करेंगे. तो यू विल राइट हियर 2 इश्यूज करंट अकाउंट, और ये करंट अकाउंट आप असेट्स में शो कर दें. इसी तरह इसकी एक्सेस कैपिटल थी, इसने विड्रॉ कर ली थी टू बैंक, यहाँ करंट अकाउंट से एडजस्ट कर दो 2 इश्यूज करंट अकाउंट. तो यू विल शो दिस करंट अकाउंट इन द लायबिलिटीज साइड. ओके, फॉर टुडे दिस इज दिस मच. ओनली द लास्ट टॉपिक इज लेफ्ट विच इज रिलेटिंग टू एक्सेस और शॉर्टफॉल इन कैपिटल will be adjusted through current accounts when the capital of old partners are adjusted on the basis of new partners capital. So this is the last topic. We will discuss this topic in next video lecture. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.